Mastering Low-Code Platforms. Its Operational Excellence module unlocks secrets of efficiency with just a handful of KPIs. Which key performance indicators, KPIs, does its Operational Excellence module utilize to measure the efficiency of its low-code platform? The quest for operational excellence in low-code platforms. As I delved into the world of low-code platforms, I couldn't help but think about the concept of flow. You know, that elusive state where everything clicks and operations hum along like a well-oiled machine? It's the holy grail of efficiency, where every process, every interaction, and every decision aligns to drive results. My journey took me to a company that had embarked on a quest for operational excellence. They had invested heavily in a low-code platform, hoping to streamline their operations and boost productivity. But as I dug deeper, I realized that their pursuit of excellence was more than just a tech implementation, it was a mindset shift. The company's leadership had a clear vision to create a culture of continuous improvement, where every team member felt empowered to identify areas for optimization and take ownership of the solution. They understood that operational excellence wasn't just about automating processes, but about cultivating a collective sense of responsibility and accountability. As I walked the floors, I saw posters plastered on the walls, proclaiming mantras like frictionless workflows and empowered teams. It was more than just rhetoric. These phrases were lived and breathed by every employee. The energy was palpable, and I sensed a deep commitment to the cause. So, how did they achieve this level of operational excellence? The answer lay in their approach to metrics. They didn't just focus on the usual suspects, throughput, latency, and defect density. Instead, they zeroed in on the human side of the equation: time to resolve, first call resolution rates, and employee satisfaction. These metrics told a story of efficiency, yes, but also of employee experience. By focusing on the human element, the company encouraged team members to take pride in their work, to own their processes, and to continually seek ways to improve. It was no longer just about automating tasks, it was about creating an ecosystem where people felt valued and empowered. I recall a conversation with the company's head of operations, who shared an anecdote about a particularly stubborn workflow issue. A team member had identified the problem, proposed a solution, and implemented it within a week. The result? A 30% reduction in process time. The real victory, however, was the sense of accomplishment and pride that permeated the team. As I continued my exploration, I stumbled upon an internal dashboard that tracked these metrics in real time. It was a stunning visualization of data, with gauges, charts, and graphs that danced across the screen. But what struck me was the absence of red flags or alarm bells. There were no threats of penalties or consequences for underperformance. Instead, the focus was on progress, growth, and, dare I say it, joy. This wasn't some fluffy, feel-good initiative. It was a deliberate design choice. The company's leadership had recognized that operational excellence was a journey, not a destination. They had created an environment where employees felt safe to experiment, to take calculated risks, and to learn from their mistakes. As I prepared to leave, I asked the head of operations about the secret to their success. He smiled, leaned in, and whispered, "It's all about creating a sense of flow. When people are empowered, when they're working on meaningful problems, and when they're acknowledged for their achievements, that's when the magic happens." I left the company's offices with a sense of awe and wonder. Operational excellence wasn't just about efficiency or technology, it was about cultivating a state of flow, where every individual felt valued, empowered, and committed to the pursuit of perfection. It was a powerful reminder that, in the end, it's the humans, not the machines, that truly drive operational excellence. The Operational Excellence module of a low-code platform typically leverages a set of key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure the efficiency and effectiveness of the platform in supporting the organization's operational goals. These KPIs are categorized into four main areas: development efficiency, deployment efficiency, operational efficiency, and business efficiency. Development efficiency. This category of KPIs focuses on the speed, quality, and productivity of the application development process. Some common KPIs in this area include time to market, measures the time taken to develop and deploy a new application or feature. Cycle time measures the time taken to complete a development task or project. Lead time measures the time taken from idea generation to deployment. Code quality measures the maintainability, scalability, and reliability of the code. Defect density measures the number of defects per unit of code. Developer productivity measures the amount of code written, changed, or deleted per developer per unit of time. Deployment efficiency. This category of KPIs focuses on the speed, reliability, and quality of the deployment process. Some common KPIs in this area include deployment frequency measures the number of deployments per unit of time. Deployment lead time measures the time taken to deploy changes to production. Deployment success rate measures the percentage of successful deployments. Mean time to recovery, MTTR, measures the time taken to recover from deployment failures. Change failure rate measures the percentage of changes that result in failures. Operational efficiency. This category of KPIs focuses on the performance, scalability, and reliability of the platform in production. Some common KPIs in this area include system uptime measures the percentage of time the system is available and operational. System response time measures the time taken for the system to respond to user requests. Error rate measures the number of errors per unit of time. Mean time between failures, MTBFE, measures the time between system failures. Resource utilization measures the utilization of system resources, such as CPU, memory, and storage. Business efficiency. This category of KPIs focuses on the business outcomes and benefits realized from the use of the low-code platform. Some common KPIs in this area include business value delivered measures the value created for the business through the use of the platform. ROI, return on investment, measures the return on investment in the platform. TCO, total cost of ownership, measures the total cost of owning and operating the platform. Business process efficiency measures the efficiency of business processes automated or supported by the platform. Customer satisfaction measures the satisfaction of customers with the applications and services delivered through the platform. By tracking and analyzing these KPIs, the Operational Excellence module of the low-code platform can identify areas for improvement, optimize processes, and deliver greater value to the organization.